guys, how's it going? It's Asian King Rex here. Today we're doing another video. Today we'll be doing some pack opening. I got 5 league games in a row we won, so that means I got this much. Now I got this much, and I have 500 FIFA points, but I'm saving up for the icons pack. Don't know why, but let's go. So I have 19 of these. I'll be doing pack opening. So let's get started. When I get 10, I'm gonna let's go. Let's go for this. Okay. Can we get anyone good? Can we get a master player? Can we get Lee? I don't know. I don't get. Who do we get? No one. We get one player, which sucks. But I can sell him, which is good. So next pack opening, next pack, league pack. Come on, something good. Okay. Not the best, but at least it's better than the first pack. Come on, man. Okay, can we get someone good? Nope. So sad. So sad. Oops. Okay, I can get 3 more packs, and yeah, and then I'll be playing some attack mode probably. Okay, league pack. No one. I'm not looking. Okay, I won't look. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Let's go. We got no one. Oh my god. This is the worst pack opening I've ever done. Okay, come on, last one. Surely this is it. Wow. Come on. Surely this is the one, guys. This is the one. Man. This is the one, man. Okay, it's better. We get no one. Well, that comes to the end of the pack opening. I am gonna upgrade. I'm gonna train one of my players. I'm gonna train him. I'm going to train Eric Lamela to an elite. So now I need one more elite to finish my honor. I want to use Team of the Week players because I can't sell. Maybe I like these players. Okay, come on. We'll upgrade him. He's elite now. We got Eric Lamela as elite. And now we need one more elite to have a full elite team. I got an 81 rated team, which is really good. Sick. Yeah, okay. How much does it cost to upgrade Hesse? Okay, just gonna pick random players. Okay, so 46. 73. I'm gonna save up for it. I'm going to save up. Hopefully I can get it. So wish me luck, and we'll be playing in attack mode. In Pro 2. Okay. So I haven't played in ages, so let's play. See my ranks. I haven't played up. I don't want the internet to lag, but I feel like it is gonna lag soon. Lag so hard. Oh yeah, guess what? Tottenham lost to Arsenal 2-0. Did my matchups, and yeah, oh my god, no. Did my matchups, and yeah, did my matchups. I chose Tottenham. I don't know why. I thought Tottenham was gonna win, and now I didn't get that prize. And oh yeah, Real Madrid should be they played today. I do not know what the scores are, so I'm gonna check after the score. I think Roma won, so at least I get something. And Tigers played someone. I don't know. Wait, but I'm gonna play this game first. Yeah, 80 red egg bomb. Oh no, but it's upgraded. Zabacosta. 81 for 76. Come on, guys. Come on, I can do it. It's a bit laggy here. Oh nope. What? What the hell? He already scored 2 goals. Wait, what? Oh my god. Wow. That's unfair. That's really unfair. You guys see that? That's rigged. We can still try score anyway. With the lag too. Okay, we're dead. We've definitely lost. 4-2. Okay, we've lost, definitely. We've definitely lost. I'd say that's unfair for me. That's just unfair. Wait, no, I didn't do the Roma thing. I did Tigers or something. Oh my god, I'm so bad. Come on. Why is this lagging on me? It's lagging so hard. Try it again, one more time. Come on. Well, I lost that one. I'm gonna play one more. Let's see. Another attack mode. Probably gonna die. Yeah, well, but like, come on, man, like, come on, don't kill me, like, man, I'm begging. God, he has an 81 rating. Well, I'm dead. I'm still waiting. Yeah. I don't want to be, okay, let's go. Come on, hope there's no lag. I know it's lagging, I've already lost. My god, I hate playing against lag. He's already scored 1 goal, 2 goals. At least the game just started, which is, wait, no, it's about 1 minute in. Damn it. 3-0, it's so laggy at the same time. I'm gonna pass it back down there to Eric Lamela. Eric Lamela. Eric Lamela. We have lost by who? Oh my god. Eric Lamela. Here comes Bobadilla. Bobadilla takes a long shot. Takes a long shot. 4-1. Please don't score, man. Please. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, so laggy in FIFA. Dele Alli. Here comes Dele Alli. Long shot. Long shot by Dele Alli. Oh, 4-2. Kill him. I'm gonna at least try and make it for free. So I can try. Oh my god. Should I take a shot? Oh my god, 5-3. Well, yeah, that sucks. Well, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you liked it, the video. Be sure to subscribe. And wish me luck as I play Pro Frame back down. I think, no, I'm still up there. And yeah, just, I'm close to 25 subs. Get me 25 subs, please. Please. I'm so close. And yeah, but before I go, I'm going to open a free pack. I don't know. Okay. Where's the free pack? Well, here it is. Yep, as you know, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Be sure to subscribe and see ya.